Hey everybody, this is Adam from Daggerfish. And in this video, I'd like to introduce you to the hobby of handline fishing. If you've never tried it before, handlining is a simple alternative to traditional rod and reel fishing that lets us travel lightly without being burdened by a ton of gear. It uses one of these, called a handline or a hand reel. And what's great about these is there's no moving parts. You simply tie in a lure, cast it out by hand, and reel it back in by hand. Our handlines are made from solid wood with 2 storage areas in the top and the bottom, meaning they're super easy to throw into a backpack or a bike bag, a kayak or a car, and take them with you on every trip. Handlines are really easy to use and they're easy to learn, meaning they're great for younger fishermen as well as experienced anglers. And with a little bit of practice, you'll find you can use them anywhere from fly fishing on a summer stream to ice fishing a lake in the middle of winter. With nothing to separate you from the wilderness around you, they're a great way to feel connected to nature and to the people that you're out with. If you'd like to learn more about handline fishing, check out our website for more videos, and thanks for watching.